Are you excited to create your first Java code? Hello everyone, this is Miss Karen and welcome to the continuation of Module 2 Introduction to Java, which is creating an executable Java application. In this section, we will be discussing on how to write, compile, and run Java programs. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to familiarize with the Integrated Development Environment or the IDE, differentiate between syntax errors and runtime errors, and create a Java program using NetBeans. There are two ways of creating a Java program. The first one is by using a text editor and a console. We have learned previously that a text editor lets you write and save a script or code that is ready to be run in the terminal. A console is traditionally referred to as the computer terminal. It is where the user may input commands and view the output result. The second one is by using an IDE or Integrated Development Environment such as NetBeans. What is an IDE? An IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment. It's a software application that combines all the features and tools needed by the software developer. It's graphical in nature, meaning that it uses windows and controls like buttons to display information and accept input from the user. For example, the tools can include a text editor, a project editor, a toolbar, and an output viewer. Programmers make applications by creating computer programs. A Java application is a program that performs when you use the Java command to run the Java virtual machine. Let us take a look at this simple application. In line 1, as you can see, there is a double slash. It means that it is a comment. This is where the user can insert documentation used to improve readability. You can insert comment lines anywhere in your code. In line 2, blank lines can be used so that programs are easier to read. In line 3, this is the class declaration for class hello. Java programs must have at least one class declaration that is defined. Your file name should be the same with your class declaration. In line 4, a left brace indicates the beginning of the body of a class declaration. In line 5, this shows the starting point of a Java application. Items enclosed in parentheses indicates that it is a program building block called method. This is default in Java main method. In line 6, this left brace starts the body of the method. In line 7, this directs the computer to do an action. It prints the string hello world on the screen and it is ended by a semicolon which denotes the end of the statement. In line 8, the right brace ends the method declaration's body. And in line 9, this right brace ends each class declaration. Now this whole program prints hello world on the screen. Java applications allow you to display characters in the command window using the system.out.println. It is a standard output object in Java. System.out.println is a method that displays a line of text in the command window. Items in the parentheses, known as the string, are the argument to the method. This method achieves its task by printing its argument. For example, this one prints Welcome to K-12 students. In this part of the lesson, we will be using NetBeans, which is an integrated development environment. NetBeans IDE is an open source. It means that it can be downloaded freely on the internet. It allows applications to be developed from a set of modular software components called modules. NetBeans can be run on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Solaris operating system. How to install NetBeans IDE? To install your NetBeans IDE, you have to download the Java Development Kit. It comes already with the NetBeans IDE. Double-click the installer and then click Yes. Click Next. And click Install. Please wait until the installer installs the NetBeans IDE. NetBeans is automatically installed in your drive C. And click Finish. Okay, so now let's create our first Java program using NetBeans IDE. Click your NetBeans IDE and the interface will look like this. Next is to click New Project and find the Java folder. Click it and then click Java Application and then Next. Now for the project name, let's create file name called First Java. It's up to you on what file name you are going to use. Okay? So this one is the class declaration and then this one is the main method. Okay, create system.out.println and then inside the parentheses, you write what you are going to output on the program. So we're going to output hello world and end it with a semicolon so that it ends the statement. So without semicolon, it will output an error. Okay, after creating our first code, click the Run button and on the bottom you will see that it already outputs hello world. So that is your simple Java program.